what we call side chicks.
Side chicks? What do we call side chicks?
What do we call side chicks?
What do we call side chicks?
Mateys.
Mateys. Yo, hey, shout out to all the mateys out there.
No,
gotta
don't
go get
shout
your
out
money.
mateys out.
You have to go get your money and you get your nails done, your hair done.
Oh my god, you're trying to sing my song.
Me a figure out your style, them now. Oh yo. You like you say things with some.
What's up, guys?
Alright.
I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time?
And a long time.
We are here for a good
And
time.
a long time.
I want to go ahead and smash the like button. Go smash the like button.
Guys, it's so early right now.
Yeah, we got up early. Well, I kind of woke up early and said, Danielle, let's do this video right now. I got the energy. I got the energy.
I'm like, but
I feel like Elephant Man. I'm the energy god right now. Go ahead and smash the like button right now. Smash the comment button right now. Comment down below. Notification gang, notification squad, notification notification boom bang, notification big up Jamaicans. Comment all of that right now. Notification pregos, because we have a lovely, beautiful woman right here now.
6 months today.
Yep, and we're gonna do a 6 month update as well. So today we have a special. Jeez, I have so much energy. Today we have a special video for you guys today, and it is called.
So things Jamaican calls different words.
So
basically,
example, we call Cinco Bible.
aloe vera.
Aloe vera is called Cinco Bible in our terms, if you know what I mean.
So you ever talking to someone and you call them something else, and they're like, "What are you talking about?" And you're like, "That," and they're like, "No, you mean this."
Yeah.
You'll get the gist.
First one we have for you guys today is.
Okay, so Jamaicans call a dress a frock.
Frock.
So if you ever have a Jamaican friend and they're like the frock, you know they mean the dress.
Yeah, it's more like a old person term, no?
Yeah, it's more old people, but still, some people still use it.
Still use it. Like, that's kind of weird to me though, like, who says frock?
Okay, the next one is, you ever hear Jamaicans say I'm going to go tidy?
That means I'm going to bathe. They're going to bathe. Or even tidy can mean like they're going to tidy the house.
Yeah, or tidy the house.
Yeah.
And clean the house.
Clean the house. They're going to tidy up the house. Yeah.
You ever hear somebody call a child a jacket?
Cheese and peas, you don't want to be called a jacket.
That means that you don't look like your parents. So it's like somebody trying to say that child is not yours.
Yeah, basically, you know, the mother or the father give on.
So if you have a Jamaican friend and they call you a jacket, that's not good.
Yeah, you know, it'd be very bad if you hear your mother and say, that boy is a jacket, it's not mine.
Next one, when a Jamaican person is upset, what do they say?
Me vex.
I don't know where you get the vex from, but vex, you just feel vex
like,
more than upset. Like vex, you can feel the emotion in the word.
To me, I feel like vex is real. Like
you feel the emotion in the word.
Vex feels like more realistic than I'm upset.
Yeah, upset too soft.
Yeah.
Like, vex.
Yo, I'm vexing on. Now talk to me. Go ahead.
So Jamaicans call the porch the
veranda. When I came here, I was saying, yo, so your veranda
there. Veranda.
Like, up to this day, I actually do say veranda in America.
Veranda because that's just what
and the people just don't understand what you're saying. Like, veranda. It feels like a veranda. Like, you know, we have a veranda there. You know, like, you little outskirts and you have a little bar grill, you know, and a little veranda.
Anyways, so then
what about one for you though? What do American people call the porch? Like, that don't make no sense. Like the front part, porch.
It's a veranda.
It's a veranda.
Anyways, so when you have a baby, you call the pacifier. What do you call it? Soother.
Soother, me call it.
Soother. Nobody calls it soother.
Well, a soother, me call it.
Soother.
When I was a baby, I mostly soother myself.
So Jamaicans call skinny people?
Maga. Yo, I never used to.
I don't know where they get that one either, but
you see, if you were called chicken chest.
That would be the worst.
Yeah, that would have been the worst.
You were called chicken chest?
Huh?
You were called chicken chest?
Yeah, man. The next one we have for you guys today is washcloth. Like, that don't make no sense. No sense. Pass me the rag. Where the rag there? Give me the rag. Move on the rag. Give me the rag. Pass the rag there. Where's the rag? Like in America now. Pass me the washcloth. Pass me the washcloth.
Yeah, sometimes when I say washcloth, I get kind of confused because I'm like looking for a rag.
Yeah, you're looking for a rag. It's just a rag.
Okay, so the next one is avocado. We call it pear.
Pear. Like we call, which is funny because
pear we call pear.
Yeah, like avocado. Like when I was telling somebody we call this pear, they're like, what? That doesn't look like a pear. Then what we call this? We call it a pear.
Yeah.
Like a pear is a pear, and avocado is a pear.
So pear is pear, and avocado is pear. Jamaica, we call side chicks.
Side chicks. What do we call side chicks?
What do we call side chicks?
What do we call side chicks?
Mateys.
Mateys. Yo, hey, shout out to all the mateys out there.
No,
gotta
don't
go get
shout
your
out
money.
mateys out
Gotta get, you have to go get your money and you get your nails done, your hair done.
Oh my God, you're trying to sing my song.
Oh, by the way, Danielle hooked me up with City Girls, by the way.
I didn't know how to hook you up, I just made it listen.
Yeah, like, so now I'm like, listen to it, it's just so weird. I don't know how you guys listen to that shit.
Okay, so we call corned beef
bully beef. In life, you must have bully beef.
Chaddy loves bully beef.
Guys, I could eat bully beef for the rest of my life.
With boiled dumpling.
With boiled dumpling. Give me some in the morning, oh my God, some bully beef. With
And
some
fried
fried dumpling.
Any kind of dumpling.
Eat me, right now, I'm gonna eat a bully beef sandwich. Oh God,
Yeah,
I met the bread, hard bread. I rest in peace with that.
Anyways,
No, babe, if I die anytime, just put a bully beef sandwich on my chest. And
I'm not doing that. First of all, rats can go eat it. Next one. So we call cats.
We call them puss.
I'm not sure why, but we still call them puss.
And we call that thing the puss too.
Evil. Evil.
Mhm.
Cats are evil.
Yeah, cats are very evil. And comment down below if you guys have cats, because right
Cats
now,
are unpredictable because sometimes they can be evil and then sometimes they can
yeah, like you see dogs that can read a dog, you know, a dog will start growling and like you, and you just stay far from it. But you say puss will go, you know, like a purring, and then when you go 2 seconds later, you know, you hit up. So yeah, me not like puss.
Okay, we get it. We understand that.
Me like the other type of puss.
Oh my God. Next. Okay, so in Jamaica we call children picnic.
Picnic. In life, you have to have picnic. You know?
That's one. Picnic is plural.
Oh yeah, you're right.
We're not having more than
No,
one.
but no, you do call picnic. Me can't stand a little picnic, you know? Yeah, you see? There we do call picnic.
And last but not least, fireflies we call Peeny Wally.
Peeny Wally. I don't know. Peeny Wally does sound more realistic compared to like, oh, firefly.
I actually like the word Peeny Wally.
Why for the Peeny Wally? Why? Why? Anyways,
guys, so thank you for watching our video. If you have any more words,
comment down below your
below.
favorite words, and comment down below the ones that you know, ones that we didn't say. Comment down below right now. We're gonna do notification gang, notification squad. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, smash the comment button, smash the subscribe button. Want to be the part of the family? Share this with a Jamaican, share this with a Caribbean person.
share it with your mother, your
Share it with your
grandmother,
mama,
your grandpa,
your grandpa,
father.
your miserable grandfather. Just share it with him. Me don't want to watch this.
YouTube, what's YouTube?
What is YouTube? Back in my day, you know, we never used to have this technology. You see, if me have them technology back then, enough woman would have get, you know.
Okay. Can tell what kind of grandfather he's gonna be.
It's notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Alina Mohammed.
Alina Mohammed. Big up your damn self. You're going right over Daniel's head top right here. Second notification shout out goes to
Omarion Samuel.
Omarion Samuels. Big up your damn self. Go right over here. Daniel's head right here.
And last but not least, Ariana Phillips.
Ariana Phillips, pick up your damn self. You're going right over Daniel's head top right here. If you want to be a part of notification gang, notification squad, comment down below. Notification notification gang, notification squad, notification boom bang bang bang. But you have to hit the like button and you have to hit the subscribe button. Yo, we want to go to 100,000. We just want to go hit that 100K. So go ahead and be a part of this family. We're gonna be growing. As you can tell, we're growing right now.
Yep. And gender reveal is coming soon, so everybody stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Until next time, we will see you later.
That's my signature.
Danielle, we tell you, we talk about this. Don't do that. Don't do that.
That's my signature.
Babe, please.
I'm turning and I can't help it.
Alright, my gun.
Me a figure out your style, them now. Oh, yo.